Welcome back. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. It's October the 16th, 2019. It's been 1 year and 11 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers. And it's a Red Wiggler Wednesday. Let's check out the Worm Factory 360. See what we got going on up in here. And right away, seeing a few Red Wigglers. One decent size and one little bitty one. Little fella. Yeah, looks like gone through the food. There in the middle. I think we put a banana over here. Looks like it's pretty much gone. Still a lot of worms over there. Yep. Looks like the food's all gone. Still got quite a bit of carbon, shredded paper, and cardboard. Just gonna kind of look around. Got plenty of worms. Let's check out this middle tray. Haven't really dug in the middle tray last couple weeks. Got a few worms in there. But it's mainly castings now. It did look just like that top tray at one time. Smells nice and earthy. So, we'll see what's in that bottom tray. And the bottom tray, you can see, has got some cardboard left, shredded paper here and there. But it is mainly castings. Still got a few worms hanging out. And it has been forever since I've seen a cocoon in the Worm Factory 360. Been a while. So they're still working over this bottom tray and the middle tray. I'll leave them alone in here. And it's dry underneath. We got some castings down there, but it is dry. Got it all put back together. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of food in here in the middle. And there's still plenty of carbon. I got some potato peels. Just going to cover them up. And our new holding bin. Make sure there's no worms on top. And we've basically just been putting the food from the migration in here. And they're wearing it out apparently. Oh yeah, I mean there is a ton of worms in here. These were all, what's that? Oh, that's part of that grape. I don't know what that was. So all these were what we migrated out of the other bin. A little banana peel left. Full of worms. Just want to kind of aerate this because it has been pretty wet. And look at that. They're just wearing it out. It's not going to be long, and they're going to turn all this into castings. Let them work through it. The bin we're migrating from, last week we put the bedding in here and we put coffee grounds. So let's see if they've moved into the coffee grounds yet. I see a few in the corner. I don't want to pull this out if they're not migrated over good. There's quite a few coffee grounds there. Yeah, there's quite a few worms in there, but there's still quite a bit of coffee left as well. Yeah, coffee and filters. So I'm not going to pull this out yet. There's definitely worms in there. We'll let them sit for another week. That's a nice size red wiggler. We'll let this side sit for another week. Guess I could fluff this up a little bit and see. There's still a lot of worms. Oh yeah. Still a bunch. And it is muddy. So we're just going to leave them alone for another week. See if they'll migrate over a little more. Thanks for joining me for Red Wiggler Wednesday. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.